So hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox this beautiful smartphone iPhone 15. So let's look about our box of this iPhone. iPhone branding is given on left hand side of the box, and this is the box of our iPhone. Now let's see what is inside this case. So wow guys, this is our iPhone 15 we get in a matte black finish. So you can see it comes with a very premium and handy design, and it has a 48 megapixel man camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Now do the most satisfactory thing. So wow guys, now you can just see the feel of this phone and you can just get the idea. And in the left side of the phone we get a volume up down keys and mute switch, and in the right side we get a side button. So this is about, and a type C board. Now let's quickly boot our phone. So while our phone is booting, let's check what we get in the box. So here we get one sticker from Apple and a user manual and a SIM ejector tool. So in user manual there is nothing to read about much. And here we get a type C to C cable to charge and transfer things. And that much for the box guys. Now let's come on our phone. Let's see. So the phone comes with 60 Hz display with 2000 nits peak brightness, and you can see iPhone comes with iOS 17, which is very easy to use and very friendly iOS version, and it may get updates from like iOS 18 and upper version of iOS. So let's see, let me get you the overview of this camera. Pretty much you can get the idea of. So let's take the picture of my watch with the 48 megapixel camera. So you can see the output, pretty much good now. So now let me show some specifications from settings. So where is the about section? Okay, so you can see it comes with iOS 17.6.1 version out of the box, and I have 128 GB variant. So this is about the unboxing guys. Let me know in the comment section what is your view. Thank you for watching.